Got a Google document you want to analyze with AI? NotebookLM lets you import it directly from Google Drive. Here's how. Start by creating a new notebook in NotebookLM. When the source window appears, click Drive. This will open your Google Drive files, including any Google documents you have access to. Select the document you'd like to use, then click Insert. Notebook LM will import the document and process the content automatically. Once the source is ready, you can start asking questions about the document in the chat panel. For example, you can ask for a summary, key takeaways, action items, or specific information from the document. Notebook LM will analyze the content and generate responses based on your source. And that's how you connect a Google document to Notebook LM. It's a quick and convenient way to turn your documents into an interactive source of information.